Hey guys, here's a quick unboxing video. This is the Arctic Cooling LP11 Freezer 11 LP. It is a CPU cooler for socket 775 and 1156. It has, well, you probably can't see that at all. It's an ultra quiet 92mm PWM fan, dual heat pipe for efficient heat dissipation, whatever, and all that. It already has a pre-applied thermal paste and everything, so let's open it. It's pretty easy to open, it's just that, and there you go, it's off. Here's the fan itself. Oop. Hold on. Put that there for now. Here's all the accessories here. Here's the mounting brackets. There they are. Here's the accessories. This is for your motherboard. That includes stickers too, and the screws to attach them on, and your instructions. That's basically it. Here's what it looks like. There's a thermal paste, and there's the fan. There's the two copper heat pipes that go almost around the whole thing. I'll be installing it onto my computer right here, and I'm gonna replace that. I'll see you guys later, and look out for more videos.